Sometimes you may need to change the form of your letters to convey your message better or add some individuality to your text. I'll show you how to change the letter form in PowerPoint. At first, you need to convert your text into shape. Select both objects and fragment them. Now click with the right button of your mouse on the letter that you want to customize and choose Edit Points. By dragging these points, you can easily customize the form of your letters. You can also add additional points or delete the existing ones. The main challenge in this case is to have a great idea that would look professional when implemented. This is a very simple example. I would suggest you finding some good examples in the internet. Then experiment and try to reproduce them. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful and subscribe to my channel to get even more useful tips about PowerPoint.